Hello everyone, very good morning to all of you. Welcome to your own channel Anjali Yoga Fusion. Today we will start our practice on the topic legs up on the wall pose, also known as Vipreet Karni. So what will be the benefit of this? I will definitely share with all of you. Firstly, just keep in your mind that it will increase the blood circulation of our body, very beneficial for relax and calm our mind. So we have to practice it daily. Let's get started. I will show you directly with the help of this ball and the help of my demonstration. Just follow it one by one step. Now I will show you how you can do it. Just turn around near to your wall. If you have any specs or any other material, just set them aside. Now come close to your wall. Lay down with the help of your back. Now hold both of your legs in this position. Then slowly make it open and put on your ball. Just relax. Now just move more close to your ball, like this with the help of your elbows. Great! If you can do this, just stay in this position for at least 5 to 10 minutes. Definitely very beneficial for you, and it will show you that your blood circulation starts from your feet to your head, and when you stay in normal position, at that time your blood flow from your head to your toes. So this will make combination of both and you will get a way benefits. Just stay in this position, relax. You have to take proper care of your breath also. Relax. Relax. But if you are a starter, you are a beginner, just stay at this position only for 2 minutes. Once you practice it day by day, you can stay in this position at least 5 to 10 minutes. Relax. Come down. Just fold out your knees. Come down any side in which you feel comfortable. Relax. But if you cannot do it directly, you can take the help of any stuff, any pillow, so that you can do it effectively and without harming your body part. Now we will discuss about benefits we will avail while practice this type of yoga. Firstly, your stress come down. If you practice it daily, you definitely feel that your stress come down. Second one is increase the blood circulation in our body, and when we go on the reverse side, definitely it will working in both direction. Firstly, it goes up, then come down. So a balance perfectly made in our body that will very beneficial for every single person. You have to try it. It is very helpful for relaxing your back. You have to practice it daily for a healthy body. Practice it daily for a calmer mind and healthy body. It will helpful for maintaining our digestive system, very beneficial for better sleep. Now you have to take care all these points before starting this one. Firstly, if you are a pregnant woman, then you do not allow to do this. Don't do this posa during the time of your periods. Don't. Pregnant lady at the time of later stage, definitely avoid it. And in the above stage also, you firstly consult with your expert. After that you can try. If you have any back and neck problem, then you cannot use it, otherwise it will worsen your situation. If you have any problem relating to your body part, especially if your body involved in the past in any type of surgery, so you have to take care of your body. If you want to try any type of yoga, not only this, if you want to try any type of yoga, just consult with your doctor and practitioner so that they will help you out how you can take care yourself and how to practice with your body. Next one, if you have any problem relating to your heart condition, you cannot do it. Just take care yourself. Do not force yourself to do any type of yoga asana. If your body permit, then definitely do it. But if not allowed by your body, just ignore it. If your body is totally free and free from any type of pain and surgery, then you have to try it definitely. But if you cannot do it directly, just take the help of cushion. You can take the help of your pillow. For example, I will show you. Like, take any cushion, put behind yourself, lay down and do it. You can do it easily. Just do easily. Firstly, you have to move at the end of this point and just relax. अगर आप नहीं कर सकते हो तो definitely आप इस पोजीशन में जरूर कर पाओगे. Come back. Now it's our last point. Last but not the least, you have to take care your body before starting this. If your stomach is empty, then definitely you do this. If you have filled with your meal, then not try this. Only try at that time when you have empty stomach. That will very beneficial for you. Otherwise, that filled stomach may create problem for you. So just avoid it and take proper care for yourself. Okay guys, now take care yourself. I wish that you everyone take care your body always and take proper care of your every single part. Just try it daily if your body permitted to do this. You try it at least for 5 to 10 minutes. But if you are a beginner, just do it for 2 minutes. You will definitely get avail benefits from this type of yoga. So bye-bye. Have a nice day. Stay healthy, stay fit, stay calm. Thank you so much for attending my session. Om Shanti. God bless you all. But remember in your mind, if you are newer, just subscribe to my channel. Also, just click on the notification bell so that you will get my information daily at right 6 p.m. Thank you. Bye-bye.